things just things you can't tell.
Summertime, that's the new beach.
We're back in Ravello, huh? Oh no, that wasn't Ravello. That was Carnelia. Carnelia had the nude beach. And this is Piccolo, Marina Piccolo, the smaller marina. And we're on the east side. Oh wow. On the east side of the Capri. And let's see if I can keep up. There you go. All limestone. So it's getting well worn. And apparently Capri was connected to Sorrento at one time. You'd never know it. There's a lot of water between. Huh. Nice villa there. Yeah. Beautiful water.
There's a lot of restaurants in Old Beach. 10 minutes by bus from Capri.